everyone, I'm Sierra from the volunteer department at Reid Zoo, and today I'm talking about alligators. So here I have an alligator nest, or replica nest, and an alligator skull, which is also replica. And a lot of people think that all reptiles are really distant when it comes to raising their young. That once the young hatch, they leave them alone and they get to fend for themselves all the time. However, alligators are very different. So a female will actually make a nest that is about 5 feet in diameter, made of things like mud and sticks and straw. We have a replica here. And she will lay 25 to 50 eggs. And she will defend this nest for a very long time. And as soon as these eggs hatch, the little babies actually make a call, and the mom will actually defend them for up to the first year of life, sometimes even longer, until they can defend themselves, which is super, super cool. So alligators are actually really, really maternal when it comes to raising their young. So if you see an alligator in the wild, you definitely don't want to approach it. But things in Tucson, these guys only live here. So if you see any reptile though, make sure you're not getting too close, but that way they can keep themselves nice and safe and keep yourself nice and safe. So that's all for alligators, so thanks so much for joining us here at the zoo. Hope to see you guys soon.